Hi, I'm Ethan Michler, CEO of Ace Garage Door, and I'm joined here by my two associates, Clint and Foster, who is my Vice President of Operations down at the LaPlace location, and Danny Michler, who's my Vice President of Operations at the Slidell location. So what we're going to do now is we're going to talk about garage doors and all the options that they present. So there are 100 different manufacturers out there, and we sell a lot of them. Amar, Wayne, Dalton, so on, Clopay, so on and so on. The main manufacturer that we use, which we believe is top-notch, is CHI. CHI offers a lot of options, and we install all of these options. And Clint can actually walk you through some of the coloring and types that you can get.
Now, on the garage door, there are plenty of different colors you can choose from. There are different variations that are standard colors. Some are upcharges. And if you're not happy with those, they can actually be powder coated. Any different color that you want is available, and we can make that happen. As far as different variations on the doors also, you can do insulated versus non-insulated. Ethan?
Right. So this is a stamp carriage door, and you might think, man, what's a normal garage door? And as you can see on the back, right here, that's where your normal garage door is, right? That's no insulation. Now, if you're like, man, I really wish it would be a little cooler in here, that's when you can add this vinyl back insulation in, when you can see it. However, there are two more serious options with steel back insulation, where it's one layer of steel in the front, another on the back, and then it's spray foamed with insulation. And you can either use polystyrene or polyurethane, depending on what you like. Not only that, but we also have multiple window options that Danny can go over.
The options are pretty endless when it comes to the windows. Different frame designs, different frame colors, different window options, frosted, tinted, obscure, just
For every application.
For every application.
And Danny, I really like that word you used, endless, because the options are endless. We can do pretty much anything with a garage door nowadays, and the options are endless. For more information, you can actually build your door on our website, acegaragedoorllc.com. And this way you can see what you want and even Photoshop it onto your house to see what it would look like. So I'm going to go over the two locations where you can find us at. First, this is Danny Michler, who's my Vice President of Operations at the Slidell location that we just opened up.
Yeah, come check us out at 2020 Gauze Boulevard West in Slidell. Our phone number is 985-288-0597.
Not only that, but we're still also in LaPlace, which my Vice President of Operations, Clint Foster, runs over there.
Yeah, and you can find us at 798 Highway 628. That's in LaPlace. It's on the corner of River Road and McRain Road. Our phone number is 504-231-2132.
We're also on all social media platforms, and you can visit us on our website at acegaragedoorllc.com.